For me, the most important aspect of a car is fuel efficiency. With the rising cost of fuel and the need to reduce our carbon footprint, having a car that can go further on less gas is essential.
I prioritize technology and safety features. Advanced driver assistance systems, such as automatic braking and lane keeping assist, can prevent accidents and make driving a lot safer. I also appreciate having a high-tech system for navigation and entertainment. These features make long drives more enjoyable and less stressful.
Reliability is my top concern. I need a car that I can depend on, one that won't break down and will last for many years. A reliable car gives me peace of mind, especially during long commutes. Additionally, I want a vehicle with a good warranty and low maintenance costs to avoid unexpected expenses.
Affordability is the key factor. As a student, I have a limited budget, so I need a car that's not only cheap to buy but also economical to maintain and insure. Low-cost maintenance and good fuel economy are essential for my tight budget.
Comfort is crucial for me, especially considering the long hours I work. A car with comfortable seating, good climate control, and a smooth ride makes a huge difference in my daily life. It's also important that the car has ample legroom and ergonomic features to prevent any strain during long drives.
I need a car with ample cargo space. Since I travel frequently for work and often carry a lot of samples and promotional materials, a spacious trunk is a must-have. I also appreciate having various compartments for better organization of my materials.
I look for style and design. My car is a reflection of my personality and my brand. It needs to look good, both inside and out, to make a positive impression on my clients. High-quality materials and an elegant design are important for maintaining a professional image.
For me, the most important thing is a smooth and quiet ride. I enjoy taking long drives, and a car that minimizes road noise and vibrations makes the journey more enjoyable. It's also important that the car has supportive seats and easy-to-use controls.
Sustainability is my top priority. I want a car that's environmentally friendly, preferably an electric vehicle or a hybrid, to help reduce my carbon footprint. Additionally, I am interested in cars that use sustainable materials in their interiors.
I focus on the engine performance and overall mechanics. I want a car that has a powerful and efficient engine, good handling, and is easy to repair if something goes wrong. I appreciate cars with a reputation for durability and ease of access for repairs.